command is given.
Yeah.
Hurry means it, now they are ready to take it out.
Okay. So
There
this
are two
is
baskets.
this
usually
is
connected.
this is moonstone, yeah.
Yes, we mine moonstone.
Anything comes out other
Apart
than
from the
moonstone?
moonstone? No, not in this layer.
Okay.
Because moonstone, sir, is situated in a coastal area.
Okay, yeah.
And we haven't
Right.
discovered any other gemstones in these sort of mines. But in Ratnapura, in alluvial type gem mines, we have found different other gemstones in different layers.
I see. I see.
That is how the gravel is taken. We need 1 or 2 men on each side to operate this winch.
Okay.
Now they are still loading the second one, and this one will be unloaded, and they will be resting it. And once they give the command, the other one is coming up. This one is going down.
Yeah. And you.
Yes, that is the gravel we get from the mine.
Okay. And then it gets
We
washed?
wash them up.
Yeah.
For the safety to work in the daytime, we usually have a plate like this, made of this coconut branch.
Okay.
So it's wet gravel, it's not dry.
It depends on the layer you get. Not all the layers are wet. Not all the layers are hard.
Alright, so I
Now,
just
the
assumed it
layer
was
that
going to be
we are
like
working with now is quite moisture. You can hear the sound of this water, madam. There are many active springs inside.
All right.
Second one is
How many of these do you? Is it constant all day?
yes, that continuously once a day, but all the time they are not bringing them up. They first need to work with the pit, and they keep digging and they collect it underneath.
Okay.
Once they collect enough amount of gravel, they start bringing up.
Right.
And the basic structure of this machine is made of all coconut timber. There are main frames in between, and you can see these vertical sticks, and the wild ferns are fixed on the wall to prevent the water and the soil to prevent sediment collecting.
It's a very hard job.
It's got hard work.
Hard work,
isn't it?
yeah.
It's all labor intensive and all manual.
Then
When we go deep, sometimes we need to pump the oxygen in.
Okay. Wow. That's it. Good.
Depth is quite manageable, but when you go about 20 meters, madam, you definitely need to pump the water and also the oxygen.
Right.
So at the moment there's no oxygen in there.
That is
No
enough. That is enough. That is enough for this moment.
Yeah, at
So
the
When you go about 20 meters, madam, you
Yeah.
need to pump it.
So the candle goes out, you know, yeah?
Yes, you know that.
Okay.
When there is any
Yeah,
poisonous gas,
see?
so
Yeah.
that is what you use the canary birds, madam, in your
Yeah.
country for coal mines.
Yeah.
But here we have no canaries, we use the canaries.
I see. Very good.
And the pump is located on this room.
Yeah.
It's a submersible pump. Early we had all diesel pumps. Now we have moved to the electronic submersible pump. It is more durable and safe. It's soundproof.
Yeah.
They can work inside safely.
Very good.
If you want to have a look, madam, you can go.
I believe I'm doing it.
They will hold the wing, madam.
I'm scared to put that out. Hello?
David, another.
Oh, goodness. Hard work.
Bottom tunnel, and they come up step by step.
That's fascinating.
It is quite interesting to understand the science matter behind this. And do you believe that there is no nail or any metal nail in this to
I was
lock this
looking,
point?
I was looking and I was thinking,
No
how
nails
do
in
they
this.
use that?
They always have to work. Also, they always have to work with the water corrode between them.
Oh, I
Right?
see.
There is no guarantee for the flame. That is why they fix
That's why they're
each by each with a tight lock. Now, the locking system is also still not this one. When they go deep, they have a different type of locking system that lock by the long itself.
Oh, I see. It's got good shoes on it. Good, thank you.
Thank you. No. He's here, look. Oh, it's panning.
We wash the gravel, sand, clay, and mud. All the hard particles will remain. There should be
Excellent.
Let the boys on this topic. So literally, madam, these are all natural hard particles, but all of these are not moonstone.
What?
So
We have this normal
this
other.
is this moonstone. This looks like
Yes,
this.
this is
This is a moonstone. I can tell because I can tell.
These
it.
are normal pieces of rocks.
But this is moonstone.
That is a moonstone. But having a stone is not enough, madam. You need to know how to cut it.
Let me see. I know this is moonstone.
Yes.
This is moonstone.
You want a job?
Wow.
That's not. Oh.
It's common
Oh,
size.
look at this one. That is a good one. Yeah.
I first let you play with this. Then
Oh, there's a blue one. Just a minute. What's this one? Good.
It's my blue color.
That is a good one. I can see good ones. Yeah, that is a good one. Wow.
We usually get, madam, 3 different colors of moonstone.
Yeah.
pieces. And what you picked, the first one,
Yeah.
was a blue color. But
Yeah, I don't know. Put that somewhere now.
I think you put it somewhere else. Ah, okay. There's a nice blue one, madam. Can you
Yes, you can see. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but like a opalescent. Like a,
Yes,
that one.
correct. This has a shell, so it's not like the opals.
That's a good one.
Very good.
And so you put this one in a and make this into an earring or something or a necklace.
Madam, to become a good quality stone, having the color is also is not enough. I will explain you how we go for a good quality stone.
You don't just
Madam,
drill
this
it
is
and
the-
hang it on your
this
ear.
is the most
That's a big
common
one.
color. It's big, but it is not that precious.
Okay.
This
So
is the
my
most
other one
common
was
colour
better.
you get. It's better. That's a good condition, madam. That even though the stone is big,
Yeah.
it is not expensive, not valuable as small stone sometimes, because small stone can be more precious
Because the
because of the color
Yeah.
and the portion of the stone.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah. This one's a good one. Here, look. Look at this little
If
one.
I show you different examples in different colors, madam, so this is supposed to be the blue color material. Look at the blue sheen.
Oh yeah, I can see that's a good one. Yeah.
This one, yes. And this is the white color material.
Yeah.
Golden. Yes, this is a golden color one.
Oh right, yeah.
Here you have all the 3 types of moonstones.
Beautiful.
And madam, to become a good quality stone, this takes millions of years.
Okay, right.
It starts with the natural particle like this one. This is not still a piece of rock. This is the pre-matured stone. It is the primary edition of this natural moonstone. One day this one will become a piece like this.
Okay.
This is little more matured.
Okay.
And when it comes to this, it is little bit mature than this, and it will become a stone like this one day.
Oh, very
So we always get the young stage of this material, and there is one more material. When it is over matured, it looks like this. This is the old.
Alright.
That is the stage you have.
Oh,
This is
you
the,
wouldn't think it.
the infant, young age.
Yeah.
And this is the age that we can be getting into use of this. And this is the old.
Very interesting.
Very good. Love it.
This is very fragile.
This blue?
It breaks easily. Yes, it's natural.
lots, isn't there?
But
You were right. You were right.
I am correct. But also, when you get, even though you get many stones in blue color, sir, all the stones are not useful.
Okay.
We have to see whether you get any clean portion inside or not.
So once it's cut and polished, yeah.
Having a blue color material inside the stone is not enough to become a good quality stone.
I see. So it's
If you
skill,
get
it's
it,
experience then,
example,
isn't it? Yeah.
You need to find a clean portion inside it. So this one is a nice blue color stone, but there is very small
Yeah.
piece of natural clean portion inside.
Like imperfections,
So what
yeah.
we do is, yes, we first remove this and we get the clean portion as quick as
Okay.
possible.
Yeah.
But in this stone, madam, although the piece is big, there is no clean portion at all.
Right, okay.
So
So-
comparatively, this is more valuable even than this size stone.
But this is good value, this one, I think.
There is still no clean portion inside. And so
Oh,
this
it's
is
not good
full
either.
of impurities.
Oh, I see, yeah, I can see. Okay, we found a good one.
I see. So
That is why this makes more rare, madam. That's why it makes more precious. If you get all these stones with clean portions, madam, it would have not been expensive as well.
That's very good.
Still not, sir.
still not. Right. It's hard.
It is hard to find a clean one.
And it gets harder when they're dry.
Yes, it
Better
is
when
they're
difficult-
wet,
it is
yeah.
difficult
Because you can
to
see the
sort it
shine,
out.
yeah.
Yes, that is why we make it wet. We keep it moisture all the time.
Very nice.
Is this the gold one?
Yes, gold one, but premature one. It's not
That-
the good age.
That one
Not
was
a good one.
shining. Like
This
opalescent.
is the good age you got, but
That's a
it
good
is
one.
not with a clean portion.
Okay. Interesting. Shall we
This
just...
is quite good, man. There is
See?
a clean portion. It's a very
I'm
small
okay.
one.
Good.
Found one.
I
Yeah,
found one.
okay.
No, I found one.
He found one.
Mine's bigger than yours.
Excellent. Well, this is really good. Really enjoyable.
And first what we do is, madam, this is done by an expert. They keep collecting all the moonstone materials aside,
Right.
and even after them, they need to sort it out for different categories. Madam.
And
Once
then-
we can
another
cut it
sort-
into clean portions, the ones we can keep it as it is, the ones we have to put it as raw stone
And do they sort it by hand or is there a machine?
by hands.
Each one of these has to be done by
Each of
hand.
them, we have to go through this each and every stone.
Wow.
Those are done by the
Seen
expert.
one. That one there.
That's from
It-
another pile.
That is good.
It is a nice white,
That is good.
but
Yeah.
not blue, white.
But it's still good.
Still good.
Was it better than his? It's very good. It's great.
This is also nice.
It is a lovely one.
That's also fine.
I can't believe how you can just, yeah, it's very nice.
This is a beautiful creation of man.
Yeah.
Not
Wonderful.
only this, all the natural gemstones. Sri Lanka is a country which is blessed with so many natural
Yes,
resources.
lovely.
We mine
It's great.
roughly around 36 different types of gemstones in Sri Lanka. Moonstone is one of more precious gemstones among all. Reason is, madam, what the material what we get in Sri Lanka in this very small village is called autoclave feldspar. Usually moonstone, all the moonstones, all the types of feldspars are found in different areas in the world. Some of them are from African region, and one is reported in India, one is reported in Australia, and the other material is in Sri Lanka. Among all of those feldspar materials, this Sri Lankan moonstone, that we usually know as autoclave feldspar, is supposed to be the most valuable and the precious material, and you get the certificate as moonstones internationally is given for the Sri Lankan moonstones. Not for that any other imported material. Just preformed,
Yeah.
and this is after cut.
That's cool. I can see,
You
yeah.
can feel it with your fingers, mom, and shine it, but you can see.
Yeah, you can see that one. Yeah.
We have given the shape only, madam, not the final finish yet. The final finish will be given after we polish it.
Yeah, it's lovely. It feels shiny.
Okay.
Don't drop it.
Yes. And cutting also we do in different shapes. I think we
That's a
better
big
take
one.
it
Look
to
at that
the
one.
sunlight, madam, for you to see it.
That one's like
this
a
is-
heart shape.
yes, yes.
Like
It is a pear shape.
A pear shape, yeah.
Pear shape.
It's beautiful.
And still it does not show the real beauty of the stone, madam, because the shine is still not there. We haven't polished it yet. We have the raw finish, the raw beauty only. And this is a marquise shape. Marquise is the paddy seed shape.
Yeah.
It's a paddy grain shape in Sri Lanka.
Wow.
Not a working bulb.
They usually stick it into a wooden or a metal stick like this with a special clay to hold the stone properly to make the polishing easy.
Okay.
Right.
Nice.
Because cutting can be done with your fingers.
Nice.
You
I
don't
was
want
wondering
to
how-
touch the whole surface of the
Yeah.
stone.
I wonder how they hold it. It's obviously
Yes,
the.
polishing is normally done with a stick like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that should touch the whole surface of the stone. If you try
Yeah.
to do it by hand, madam, you need to move it
Yeah,
side by
touch it,
side.
yeah,
Yeah.
So that might sometimes damage your finger, or it might not polish the stone well.
Yeah, I see.
So this is more efficient when you mount it on a stick, and you can handle the stick easily,
Yeah.
and you can touch the whole surface of the stone.
Yeah.
This is how the blue one looks like. There are two blues and there is one white. Can you see all three in one angle?
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Beautiful.
This is the magic behind this. Gemstones, and here this is the first step where we melt the metal.
Yeah.
We usually start with raw silver, raw gold, or any other raw material. We usually work with yellow gold, white gold, and silver. We put the metal into a crucible like this. Now this is the used one. They have the new ones,
Yeah.
and they put the raw material, either silver, copper, or any other dissolved materials, in this and place it here, and they blow and give the fire.
Okay.
And give enough oxygen to fire it up.
Yeah.
And they cover it with some coconut coal like this to keep it in warm. And once you reach the melting point, it gets melt, and we pour it onto a metal tray like this.
Right.
Yeah. I see.
And we
Yeah.
get a piece of silver or piece of gold which is ready to work with.
Oh, I see, yeah.
But we cannot work with the raw material. We first need to melt it and make it into a proper plate. All the prepared material will be brought here for these men to work with. And this is now he is working with the ring. These are all handcrafted, madam. We do not glue it, we do not mold it, we do not do casting jewellery. Even start, see how heavy it is, madam. It is strong, it is quite hard. This piling, shaving, cutting, everything is done by hand. So you have only small, simple tools, but one simple tool can do several tasks with this.
And he has all that jewelry to make
All
the
are
first
jewelry
stones.
tools. Most of those are different sizes of files. This is also his filing it.
And all those have come from that mine.
Not these materials, madam. These materials are from our own mines, but not from this village.
Right.
This is a family mining company, madam. We have these mining centers in different areas in Sri Lanka.
Okay, so the coloured ones are from
These
a
colored
different
ones
place.
are
They're
from
not-
different mine, from a different place.
Excellent.
And he will be fixing all these moonstones, madam. Can you see these moonstones over here?
Yeah.
Yes, I can, yeah.
The shiny
Yeah.
moonstones. And he has prepared this each and every frame to fix each and every stone on it.
Oh, I see.
The upper stone and the frame for it. This is the stone, the frame for it.
Oh, I see.
He do it step by step
I
and
see.
keeping it ready for the final finished product. And now see, madam, this is the interesting part. He is making sure the frame of this, what he has made, is ready to fix the stone. That frame has to be precisely made. If you do make it uneven, if you do not make it in a uniform shape, you cannot fix a stone anymore.